Welcome back to our home vocabulary series. In today's episode, we're exploring the bathroom, a place where we start and end our day. Let's learn some essential words you need to know for the bathroom. First, we have the shower. This is where you stand under running water to wash your body. Showers can have shower heads that spray water, and some even have a shower curtain or glass door to keep water from splashing out. Next is the bathtub, or simply tub. This is a large container filled with water where you can sit or lie down to take a bath. Bathtubs are great for relaxing after a long day. The sink, also known as a basin, is used for washing your hands, face, or brushing your teeth. It usually has a faucet or tap to control the flow of water. Above the sink, you'll often find a mirror. This is used to see your reflection while washing your face, shaving, or applying makeup. The toilet is a basic bathroom fixture used for disposing of waste. It typically has a flush mechanism to clean the bowl after use. Towels are used to dry your body after a bath or shower. They're usually hung on a towel rack or towel rail to keep them dry and within easy reach. Toiletries are personal care items used in the bathroom, such as shampoo, soap, toothpaste, and toothbrush. These essentials keep us clean and fresh every day. A bath mat or rug is placed on the floor outside the shower or tub. It helps keep the floor dry and prevents slipping after you've showered or bathed. That's it for our bathroom vocabulary. Now you know the names of some key items in your bathroom. Stay tuned for more videos in our home vocabulary series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.